guys, and welcome back to the Bush Squad. Welcome back to another video. Today I have another awesome review video, and it is from a company called Fytoo. It'll be up here on the screen in case you guys never heard of Fytoo. So Fytoo, they sell all type of glasses. They have prescription glasses, non-prescription glasses. The great thing about their glasses is that they are super affordable, but also really great quality as well. And like I said, you can get them prescription or non-prescription. They also sell like all type of stylish frames, all types, like anything. They have it, any colors, any style, patterns. I'll show some up on the screen right here so you guys can kind of get the gist of what type of glasses they carry. But they sent over a package to me to try out some of their glasses for you guys. So I have this box right here that I'm about to open and share with you guys the ones that they sent over to me to try out. So now that I have the box open, this is how it looks inside of the box. And this is the packaging that they come in. Really nice little pouch. And you see their name on the pouch right here. Really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the first pair and show you guys how they look and also try them on as well. So that's another feature that I love about Fytoo. When you're on their website, they actually have a feature that you can try on the glasses and kind of like see how they look on your face before you pick them out, since it's online and you're not like in a physical place trying on the glasses. So I love that feature as well, that they give you that option. So this is the first pair. They also come like in another little Ziploc package inside of this little pouch. And yeah. So these are the first pair. It's like a blue, dark blue pair of glasses. I like the little detail on the side right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try these on. Okay. You can definitely see the good quality and feel the good quality. Like they don't feel cheap. They don't feel wobbly on my face. I like how they fit like tightly and snug on my face. I love how they sit on my nose. So yeah, these are cute. I like these. Really stylish. So the ones that I chose are not prescription because I don't wear glasses. So I don't have a prescription. So these are just the regular frames that I have. But like I said, if you wear prescription glasses, you can also get these with your prescription. Also, I will have the name on the screen of these type of glasses. Also, the links will be in my description box if you guys are interested in any of the glasses that I'm showing. So that was the first pair. The second pair is, let me go ahead and open these up so you guys can see them up close. Oh, these ones are really cute. It's like a two-toned. So they're green on the top and like a tannish color on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and try those on. Okay, I really like these. I actually kind of like these better than the first pair. Really nice. Okay. I love how they sit as well. Just like the other ones, they have like a nice snug fit on the face and they are super stylish and cute. And yeah, really nice. So that's the second pair, and this is the name of this type right here on the screen, as you guys can see. So let's go ahead and open up the next pair. I really love how they all come in their little individual pouches. That way you get, you know, keep them protected from getting broken or getting like too many fingerprints on them. So the third pair, they look kind of like basic little glasses, but I like them because they're cute and they're black and like thin. Okay. So these ones, I don't think they really fit like the shape of my face. They might be like a little bit too small for my face, but still in all, they are cute. But yeah, just not for me maybe. But yeah, these are little bit too thin for my liking, but I don't know, maybe what you guys think. Also, let me know in the comments below which pair of glasses were your favorite. So yeah, these are the little thin black ones. And the name is on the screen in case you guys are interested in those. So they sent me 5 pairs, so we still got 2 pairs to go. Okay, I see that I'm gonna like these already because I love animal print. And these look like they have some animal print going on. Real cute. So let's go ahead and try these on. Okay. I like them. Really nice. But I'm thinking that I like the print of them better than like the actual glasses, only because they look a little bit boxy, but they're still cute. I might be able to, like, you know, soften up to them eventually when I wear them. But yeah, what do you guys think? So that was the 4th pair of glasses. Now let's move on to the last pair. And they also have some other goodies in the bottom of the box that I'm going to be showing you guys as well that they sent with the glasses. So this is the last pair. And these ones look like they kind of match me today, match my shirt. So go ahead and unwrap these. Okay, so this is how these look. Like clear at the bottom and then tan on the top. I wear a lot of tan, so that's perfect. And I like these. These are cute. I like the way they sit on my nose. I like the snug feel of them. So, okay, I could dig these. What you guys think? So this was the last pair right here, as you guys could see. Really simple and cute and stylish. I love them. If I had to choose like a favorite 2 pair out of all of them, I would probably have to choose these ones and the tan. I like these 2 the best on me. I like them all, but like for my face shape, I think these 2 are more suitable. And also, I see that they sent something else in the box. So let's open this up and see what this is. Okay, so what this is a little like towel, I guess, to wipe the lenses off. Let's see if it's good. So yeah, you can keep your lenses clean on the go. Oh yeah, I see a big difference because I was kind of touching the lenses and got some of my fingerprints on them. So yeah, this is really good. It works really well. And then also, oh, okay, so this is like a little tool that you can put on your keychain or key ring or whatever. And this is the little tool that if your glasses start like loosening up, you can fix it and have this on the go just in case like you have a little malfunction with your glasses and you're already out on the go. This will come in handy. So I got to add this to my keys so that I can have it, because I will be wearing these glasses with different outfits and styling them. So yeah. But yeah, so here's the name of the company again, Fytoo. They have amazing, good quality, good high quality glasses for affordable prices. The prices are like super affordable, especially for those of you who wear prescription glasses. Like, I don't know anywhere else that you could possibly find glasses for this affordable price. So go ahead and check out Fytoo. And make sure you click that link in my description box below so that you can go ahead and get you a percentage off of your purchase. and save some money, as we all like to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also want to thank Fytoo for reaching out to me and working with me on this collaboration. I really love all the glasses that you guys sent over to me. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.